It's the most expensive thing you'll ever buy, and you can't return it. A home is made up of numerous components, each with different ages and therefore different amounts of wear and tear. For new homeowners or those seeking peace of mind, a home warranty can cover major issues during the first year of ownership. In a buyer's market, sellers may include warranties in the contract to sweeten the deal, while in a seller's market, buyers usually pay for them. These plans typically cost between $400 and $1,000 a year, covering major systems like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and water heaters. However, coverage varies by company and plan, and each claim may come with a service fee or deductible, so make sure to review policies carefully to understand what's covered. Home warranties can provide peace of mind in that first year of owning your new home. If you're happy with that peace of mind they provide, you can easily renew the policy when it expires. Buying a home is a significant investment, and a home warranty helps protect against unexpected failures. How else can I help? I'd love to answer any questions you have about the process of buying or selling a home or anything else related to the real estate market. Shoot me a message and let's chat.